So to start off this sanding journey, um, I started with 50 grit, and then I went up to 80, and then 120, and then 220. And I did about 4 to 5 passes, and every time I did a pass, I would wipe it down with this isopropyl alcohol, and then do another pass with the sandpaper.
Is it a dry sand first?
I did a 400 grit twice, and then dry sanded, and then I wet sanded it 4 times.
$600 grit, 6 sheets wet sanding. A 1,000 grit, 4 times wet sanded. So I did 2,000 grits, 4 passes, wet sanded. This is what it looks like. I just rubbed it down with some alcohol. And we're going to buff it and see if it turns clear. So I don't have all the polish that you would actually do this with. So I figured I'd give car polish a chance.
Yeah, let's go.